Right, question 15. This is still lesson 7. Question 15. 4 cans of dog food will feed 3 dogs for 1 day. So the first part is how many cans are needed to feed 10 dogs in 6 days? Well, if I write this out as 4 cans per 3 dogs per 1 day, I'm going to change that rate to be 4 divided by 3 cans per dog, so that's per 1 dog per day. Alright, so that's my basic unit. 4/3 of a can, or 1 1/3 cans, is eaten by a dog in a day. So if we have 10 dogs in 6 days, to change this, if I put a 6 in here instead of 1 dog, I've got to times this by 6. So if I times that by 6, okay, that will be, and then I'll times that by 6 as well, that will give me how many cans of food 6 dogs will eat in a day. Actually, we don't want 6 dogs, we actually want 10 dogs, don't we? So let me just change that again. And we want 10 dogs. Similar question, similar issue. So if we have 10 dogs, times that by 10, and times that by 10, this amount of food here, and I'll just write it down here, 4/3 times 10, will be the number of cans we need for 10 dogs in 1 day. But if we also have 6 days, then we also have to times it by 6. So times that by 6, and then we also have to times that by 6, which means we have to times that by 6. So the number of cans needed to feed 10 dogs in 6 days is 4/3 times 10 times 6. Now if I quickly do a calculation, that cross off that 3 with the 6, put a 2, 4 times 10 is 40, times 2 is 80 cans of food. 80 cans of food. Okay, part B. We have got how many dogs can be fed for 9 days on 60 cans of food. So here we've got a lot of work, working backwards a little bit. So if I can squeeze it in here, we're going to have 60 cans as our answer. We have 4/3, which is our basic rate. Now, if we have 9 days, we need to times that by 9 because that's our rate for 1 day. Okay, and we need to work out what this number is here. Will give us the number of dogs. So 4/3 times 9 times something will give us the number of dogs. Now if I do a quick calculation again, the 3 goes into the 9 3 times. So 4 times 3 times something is 60. 4 times 3 is 12. 12 times 5 is 60. So our answer would be 5 dogs. How many days will 40 cans feed 2 dogs? Well, let's have 40 here. Our rate is the same for per dog is 4/3, but we have 2 dogs, so we times it by 2 for the number of dogs, times by the number of days. What are we missing? So we have 4/3 times 2 times something equals 40. So quick calculation over here, I'm going to do 40 will equal 8/3 times the number of days. Okay, and simply calculating that, the 3 will come up to here to be 120, divided by 8, 120 divided by 8 will be 15 days. 15 days.